What they are working towards is coronation of Tinubu in 2027. Therefore, we find this amendment in bad faith and we reject it outrightly. In the coming days, we shall explore every constitutional means to cure this indirect hijack of the independence of political parties.
All I want to say is that Tinubu is not our problem. The problem is the opposition. We are our own problem. When the opposition is ready, Nigeria will do what? Nigeria will change.
Or I will call other opposition parties that are not here today to make sure that they are part of this movement of the unity of the opposition parties to ensure we restore our democracy.
There's need, very urgent need, for all the opposition parties, those who are not here today, we're pleading that we all come together to save our dear country. It is critical, it's important. The government we have today, as I said, and continue, is the worst ever in our dear country, Nigeria.
What is the problem with transmitting results instantly? Why is it a difficult issue? Unless there is something there that the rest of us don't know. And of course, there must be something. We can see it from FCT election.